Is your wrench drawer a mess like ours? Well, come along and find out how we're gonna organize this. Since this is a safe space, I'll admit that toolbox organization is something I struggle with, and I'm sure many of you out there do too. But the road to organization isn't as long as you think, thanks to companies like Ernst Manufacturing and its massive lineup of toolbox organizers. Ernst Manufacturing is a leader in toolbox organization and can turn any cluttered drawer or pegboard into a work of art. Ernst has organizers for all sorts of different stuff, but today we're starting with our wrench drawer. And the star of the show is the Wrench Pro 20-tool magnetic modular wrench organizer. These wrench organizers are made from durable ABS plastic and are available in several different colors, including black, red, blue, yellow, and even green. Not only can you color match your toolbox, but using different colors is a great way to tell the difference between where your metric and SAE tools live. And as an added bonus, this system is modular, so you can tailor your organizers to however many wrenches you have in each set. That way you can customize it to both your tool and toolbox size, so you can have maximum space savings. They've got this clever cleat design that allows them to sink into the drawer liner, and better yet, super strong magnets in the base to keep the whole thing secure. Now, we're gonna stop telling you how great these things are, and let's just show you. Let's head to the wrench drawer and get this thing into shape. So as you guys can see, I already have my wrenches separated into piles to make it a little bit easier. So let's start organizing. I wanna run all my metric wrenches on this side and all my standard SAE wrenches on this side. So that's the goal. I'm gonna start off with the black organizers for the regular wrenches and then move into colored ones for my ratcheting wrenches. So the cool part about these is, like I said before, they're modular. So they come in these 3-holder sections and these single sections. So you can customize this to however many wrenches you have. And as you can see, the magnets in the bottom and then these cleats that really dig into this foam and keep them secure. Now, I know the 22 is my largest wrench for my metric stuff, so I'm just gonna kind of use that to see what my distance is. And I'm gonna put this all the way against the back of the toolbox, maybe actually just a little forward so it's easy to get the wrench, and go from there. So it's super, super simple in the aspect of you're just essentially sitting them in. And now the nice part about this is once I get it organized exactly how I want it, I'm gonna come back and sticker all these. So all my standard wrenches are organized, and this is gonna be so awesome and free up some space. I might even be able to get some of my specialty wrenches in here too. I'm looking forward to that. So now that these are done, I'm gonna move on to my ratcheting wrenches, and my Powerbuilt SAE ratcheting wrenches use blue identifiers. So I'm gonna use the blue wrench organizers for these. Man, this turned out absolutely amazing. These Ernst Wrench Pro organizers made this drawer so much more useful. I actually was able to fit 3 more wrench sets than I was before in here. And one of my favorite features is that they put labels in every box. Now, once I'm absolutely in love with these, then I'll go ahead and apply these stickers right here. And that's the cool part, is they put the sticker sheet in every box. So you're always getting them. If you're modifying your sets, changing them around, you're always gonna have stickers available to label them correctly. I just can't believe how good this drawer came out. It's such a night and day difference. Now, if you're interested in getting your wrench drawer in order or organizing another tool in your toolbox, head over to summitracing.com and see the full selection of Ernst Manufacturing toolbox organizers. Make sure to like and subscribe to the Summit Racing YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any content like this or more. And drop us a comment on this video to tell us what drawer you'd like to see us organize next. So until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and thanks for watching.